The Life of the Buddha, Part 10. What happened to the Buddha's stepbrother, Nanda? He also entered the order and became an Arahat. The Buddha asked Prince Nanda to follow him to the monastery. He also entered the order and became an Arahat. Seeing the Buddha, Prince Rahula, as advised by the mother, went up to the Buddha and asked for his inheritance. Prince Rahula said to the Buddha, "O ascetic, even your shadow is pleasing to me." He was only 7 years old. He was admitted to the order at 7. Later, Prince Rahula became an Arahat. Who was Ananda? He was a cousin of the Buddha. He joined the order and became a Sotapanna. He became the treasurer of the Dhamma. He was also the favorite attendant of the Buddha. He attained Arahatship after the death of the Buddha, Sambuddha Parinirvana. He rehearsed the Dhamma at the first council held in the Saptaparni cave at Rajagaha, Rajgir. He pleaded for the establishment of the order of nuns. Who was Devadatta? Devadatta was the cousin and the brother-in-law of the Buddha. He joined the order and was at first a good bhikkhu. Later he became the greatest enemy of the Buddha. He tried to kill the Buddha. Owing to his evil deeds, he was born in a woeful state. But in the future, he will become a Pacceka named Sattissara. Mahaprajapati Gautami requested the Buddha to form the order of nuns. After the death of King Suddhodana, Mahaprajapati Gautami joined the order of nuns and became an Arahat. Kema and Uppalavanna were the two chief female disciples. The Buddha founded the first society for women.